You know, they say opportunity knocks, but sometimes it strums. It spins, or it drums. In any case, it's music to your ears.
Lately I've been chasing daylight, 'cause I don't.
What's up everybody, Brandon Hebert here, Berkshire Hathaway. Welcome to 574 Coxwell Avenue. A charming semi-detached home that sits about a block away from the Danforth with access to Coxwell subway line, Monarch Park, and both a grade school and high school in the immediate area. You can even catch some rays down at Woodbine Beach and enjoy life on Queen Street East. This 3+1 bedroom has 2 full baths and a main floor powder room, 2 parking spots off the rear laneway, 2 kitchens, 2 separate laundry facilities, and an ideally situated separate entrance. First-time home buyers and investors alike, this is one opportunity you should definitely capitalize on. So if that's everything you've been looking for and more, check this out. Give me a shout, and when you're ready, let's make it happen.